You go.
Not going to work, you know, get lazy, isn't it?
Hello YouTube, I'm Chin and this is my mum Choo. So we're doing a quick video today to say that we're going to be doing a cook along, aren't we?
Yeah, got along.
On what day?
Monday.
Monday, which is the...
The 9th?
Is it the 9th?
No. Today is Wednesday. Today's
The
Thursday.
5th. So the 9th.
Oh, little chick.
The 8th.
8th, yeah.
So the 8th. On the 8th we're doing a cook along and we're doing a beef curry using Goldfish brand. We're going to go from how to prep the beef. I know most of you know how to do that already, but for those who don't, that's what we're going to be doing. We will be drinking alcohol. We will also...
It might be a few rough words slip out from our mouth, right?
A few rough words, yes. Swear words. There might be some swears. I will re-edit to put up a non-sweary version later, but we are adults and we talk like we talk to everyone. Just it's not like a deliberate thing. It's just, it can just slip out every now and then.
Yes.
So yeah, be aware of that. We will also have a recipe list for you guys soon because we're not 100% sure how the quantity we're going to make. So I won't put the quantities below for the moment, but I will put what you will need. So and then I'll add the quantities later on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I think that's about it.
Yeah. So look forward to see you on Monday evening.
Yes. What's the what time should we do it? 7?
Is I don't. What 8? Do you think it's a bit late? 7
Eight's a
people
bit
eat
late.
at dinner, is it? If people want to go out to work, 8 is a bit late, isn't it?
People
7?
want to go out to work at 8 o'clock. Not many people do.
Oh no, I forgot about this lockdown thing.
Well, it's not even that though. Not many people go out to work at 8. Most people work 9 to 5.
Oh, should we 7? Is it a bit late?
It's a bit late.
7, 6 o'clock?
Well, let's say 6:30.
6:30, yeah.
Okay, 6:30. There we go.
6:30.
6:30 on the 8th
of November.
of November, and if it is the 9th, it's definitely the 8th, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's the 8th. But it's a Monday.
This Monday coming up.
Yeah, we're not sure what is the number for that day is.
Yeah, the number for the day is 16.
No, it's not.
Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, Mum.
I'll be cooking, I'll be eating.
Take care.